Hi everyone, this is Viridiana Hernandez, and this is a flipped classroom in education. So this is the summary of 2 articles and 3 videos. So what is flipped classroom? According to one of the articles, a flipped classroom is a new pedagogical approach which employs asynchronous video lectures and practice problems as homework, and active group-based problem-solving activities in the classroom. And then according to the next article, it states that inverting the classroom means that events that have traditionally taken place inside the classroom now take place outside the classroom and vice versa. So basically meaning like it's the opposite of a traditional classroom, and in a flipped classroom, they do the homework or the activities to test their knowledge, and at home they watch the lecture and whatever they need to watch. So, does flipping the classroom improve student learning? So, according to one of the articles, there was a teacher named Stephanie Sheridan, which adopted the flipped classroom model, and she stated that there was positive results. An example of a positive result was the collaboration between students. So, according to one of the guest lecturers on the video, they found results from year 1 from the flipped classroom teaching, which overall had a small advantage over traditional teaching, and overall there was positive results from year 2 and year 3. And then this is summary continued. So what does a flipped classroom look like? So according to one of the YouTube videos, teachers provide pre-recorded lecture videos that are posted online. Students watch these provided lectures at home as homework assignments. Students now do what once were homework assignments in class to test learning comprehension, which provides more one-on-one time with the teacher. And teachers are able to help students who really need the help rather than only the confident students who always participate. And then the flipped classroom model is benefits recorded by schools who have adopted this method are: 1, it allows students to learn at their own pace as videos can be watched again. 2, it is more efficient and students enter the classroom prepared to contribute. 3, it enriches the lesson since more time can be spent on group work and projects. And 4, doing homework in class allows students to help each other, which benefits the advanced and less advanced students. And then my reaction to this, I really enjoyed reading and watching these articles and videos because I am for changing traditional classroom teaching methods, because a lot of people stick to the traditional classrooms even though there can be other approaches that are better. A flipped classroom provides more one-on-one time with teachers, which will eventually help students engage more. I like this approach because if students have any questions, the teacher will be there to help. However, one downside that I can think about this method is if students will actually watch the lecture videos at home, or even learn from just watching them at home, because there can be distractions like the TV or other family members. So there can be other factors that affect this teaching method. Thank you.